Alright, what you got there, JW? Went down there to Wally's World. Got some of that 80% lean, 20% fat ground beef chuck. Now you don't want to just chunk this into the... You could just freeze it all at once. But there's a different thing that you might want to be interested in here. This is very good. This is not hamburger meat. It's a step above hamburger meat. So, what you got to do is cut it in half, like that. And then cut it in thirds, like this. Right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pieces. So this was $3 worth of good ground chuck. Alright. Gonna make 6 hamburgers. So use this thing for a guide here. There, one there. Now I got the package labeled 80/20. Now this stuff right here is good for making meatloaf or meatballs, or adding into some soup, or making spaghetti and things like that. It got a little more fat in it, and when you're making spaghetti you need to have a little more fat. So we're going to devise this one up a little different. What I'm going to do here, since I intend on using it to make spaghetti and things like that, I'm going to divide it up a little differently. See, it really don't look the same. Cut her in half, and then we're going to cut her in half again. So four meals. So you could make you some mini meatballs. If I want to use 2 of them at once, I can make chili out of it. But the whole point is, I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and freeze it. When I get it, I'll be able to Alright, we got a... I don't know whether y'all can see that or not. I paid $3.94 for this here Smithville sirloin roast. I'm always prepared, baby. Here's what we're gonna do. You buy these little rolls like that for like $4, and you can make yourself all kind of nice little deals with this stuff. But here's what I'm going to do with it. I'm going to cut it like that, and then cut it in half. Finding the seams right there. That's 1 mil, 2 mil, 3 mil, 4. You see that? $5 mil, 6 mil, 7 mil more. Got 7 mils out of that piece of meat. Now, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If I want to be more skimpy, I could make them smaller, but I don't want to. I'm going to leave them just like that, right? Went down there to Food for Worse. They got boneless chuck on sale for $2.47 a pound. And what I'm gonna do, I ain't gonna cook all this today. I'm gonna split it up, make 2 meals out of it. Look, I got a little bonus piece. Ain't that cool? Now, look at it. Look at over. Find that little line right there. Go right down. Just like that. Now, there's 2 meals, Paw. Ain't no point dating it, because it's going to get eaten pretty quick. I'm going to put this in here. Like that. I guarantee you that sucker right there, that ain't going to sit in that freezer looking that good and get freezer barrel on it. Yeah. I got to cook this here chicken. But before I can cook it, I got to cut it up. Now normally I'd put it in the sink to do this. You got to wash it once you cut it up. You don't be scared of cutting your own chicken up. First you get rid of the... Well, that was easy, wasn't it? Remove this, but do not discard it. Put it in a pot. And here are going to be some more goodies. The liver and all. Going in a pot. Get in there. Now this here is part of the part you don't need, so put it in the pot. I'm gonna make stock with that. Might make rice, make whatever. Me myself, I'm putting this in the rice pot too for the dirty rice. Cut the wing tips off. Now, the part went over the French flag. You don't need that. Can't nobody eat that. That's flavor. So, cut that wing off. And then cut that wing off. Now we got the wings out the way. Now the next thing you do, go around here like this. Cut through the backbone. And then catch it on the other side. like that. Now you got two big pieces. Now you roll it over like that. Roll it over like that. Cut down. Cut down. That's the back. Now you hold her up like that. Now you got a leg. The other side. Like that. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you just take scissors, cut that over there. Like that. Onto that. See that? Now, what I do, I just cut across there like that. Have a keel bone piece. Then all you got to do is separate the two middle pieces. Cut this middle out and a hoogle out a little out like that. And let's see what all we got here, Paw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Could go ahead on, since this thing is so fat, cut that out like that. That's how the Chinese do it. Now I got 12 pieces of chicken. Now all we got to do is wash that nasty chicken, Paw. Yes, we'll make dirty rice out of that.